And because we're going to jump right in, the unit that I'll be rocking today is from HerGivenHair. This is their Natural Glow Curly Unit. It is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm hot combing the hairline back. That way all the hair is out of the way for the style that I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to take this lace tinting spray from Even and I'm going to spray that all over my wig cap. You can use foundation or whatever you have on hand, but this is just what I'm doing. And I also used it and sprayed it inside of the lace. I went ahead and cut my lace off camera and I'm going to use this Even lace spray and I'm just going to go ahead and spray that along the hairline. Next, I'm going to take this edgy wrap and I'm literally going to lay it over my edges. As you guys see, I did leave my natural hairline out because I do have a low hairline. I forgot to mention that. So those are my edges. I didn't do any baby hair from the wig. So I'm just wiping any excess spray. I'm going to go ahead and straighten up the part. And then I'm going to start on my first section on the side. So I'm literally going to go ahead and spray this section down with some water. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some Eco Styler gel on the edge brush. And I'm just going to put that on the hairline and slick it back. And then I'm going to start doing a braid going down. I didn't braid all the way down to the end. I left some hair out, but I did add a rubber band. So now I'm just going to go ahead and part the next section. And you can part however much you want. It's up to you. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clip that back. And I'm going to literally do the same thing on this side. Spray down with some water, add some gel, and I'm going to start braiding. Alright you guys, so I decided to go ahead and detangle the hair a bit so it will make the braiding process smoother. And then I'm just going to go ahead and part that section and that's what I'm going to start to braid. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid down. Now I kept pausing because I wanted to make sure I was gathering all the hair how I wanted it to go, and I wanted the braid to lay on my head how I wanted to. So just take your time and get it to how you want it. And now you have two pretty braids. So I'm literally just going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I'm not going to braid all the way down to the end because I want to leave it curly on the end, but I am going to add a rubber band. I'm gonna go back in and touch up my baby hair because I got a little messed up, and I'm just using some Eco Styler gel because I don't want to use edge control because it's a bit greasy and I didn't want to lift my lace. You can leave your hair poofed out if you would like, but I'm gonna go ahead and completely wet the hair down And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mousse on top, and I did apply some gel at the top too to lay it down. This is just what it looks like laid down and poofy. So both of them are cute, but I wanted to do the lay down look. And I'm gonna take some concealer and put that in the part. And I'm gonna take these little hair jewels and put them where I put the rubber bands at on my braids. This is just how the hair turned out, super pretty. I love the tribal braid look. It looks so cute. The hair is so textured and curly, root to tip. It looks so good. Love it, love it, love it. Hey, I'm B Crew. I want to be here. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you are notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at MonaXBanks. So as you guys can see, I'm back with another do, switching it up, giving a different look. So this unit is from HerGivenHair. This is their Natural Glow Curly Unit. It is in the texture curly, which mimics 3B, 3C hair. I got mine in 20 inches, and it also is a cap size small, and the density is 130. This is a lace front 13 by 6 unit. That's why I was able to do these really pretty braids, as you guys can see in the front. So as you guys know, y'all know I usually don't do like long hair like this or whatever, but it's actually really cute. And I wanted to go ahead and switch it up and show you guys a different way that you could rock your lace unit. So I decided to go ahead and put these braids at the front. I think it's so cute. It gives it like a little, you know, a tribal vibe. It's really cute, like tribal braids. And then I just put some hair jewelry on the end. I didn't braid the ends all the way to the end. I left them curly because I thought that would be so cute on this unit. So this unit does come in a side part, and I just kept it in the side part, and I just did 2 braids. You could do 1 braid across if you would like. It's up to you, but this was actually really easy to do. You guys know, if you don't know, if this is your first time watching me, I do have a low hairline. So these are my baby hairs, my real hair. This is not from the wig. I didn't do any baby hairs on the wig or anything whatsoever. I have a really low hairline. So a lot of times with my lace fronts, I have been, well, as of lately with my lace fronts, I have been leaving my edges out that come out really, really far, and it's been working out really nicely for me. It gives it a really natural feel. And then I just been putting the lace behind my low hairline, and that's been working out really great for me, if I can, of course, because normally I was just like brushing it all back, and then you could kind of still see the hairline. So I'm like, no, I might as well bring them out and swoop them around. And that worked out really nice. So I love that the lace is super thin, so it was really easy for me to like lay down. This hair was really easy to work with. This hair is so textured, you guys. It is curly root to tip, literally. It is so curly and so textured and so beautiful and super, super full. So that's what I really love about this unit. But this unit is definitely versatile, simply because of the length on it. You can do ponytails, buns, a side swoop with a ponytail or a bun. You can do a lot of things to this unit. It's fitting on my head really good. Y'all already know. I always let y'all know this. HerGivenHair got some of the best fitting wigs in the wig game. I did attach this unit. If you want to do a style like this, you're definitely going to have to either glue it down or use spray, and that's what I did. I used spray so you could get it to attach. Now you can style it off of your head. I just find that the style turns out better if I do it on my head. That way I can like gauge it, you know, size it up to my head shape. But it turned out really cute, you guys. You do get a little shedding with this hair. It's not too bad, but you will get some shedding with this unit. I didn't cut it or anything. This is it in 20 inches in all its glory. Very pretty. And mine is elongated because I use mousse and gel. But if you want it bigger, this unit can poof out bigger. But I thought with this style, like a sleeker look would look really cute. But I'm really loving this unit, so I'm going to go ahead and rate it. You already know. And I'm going to go ahead and give the unit an A. It is bomb. It didn't give me any trouble with styling. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, you guys. Everything about HerGivenHair will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.